Now, how much in your country, US, Netherlands, no?
So I'm concentration a war.
Why bias? So there's a
concentration or back on some more.
It was a beautiful game, tough game. This is the best game in the Women World Cup so far.
Netherlands, US.
Oh my goodness! And now, also World Cup no finals no, US Netherlands 2-0.
Yeah.
I say Netherlands. I say see no on person the boogie side in a way, and this is the first time in 13 matches since 2015 America bought draw.
13 matches
in the World Cup
since 2015.
Yes, at man defensively. My goodness. Omo making sure so omo puejuma 5th minute. And Sophia America for Finn Smith, America for striker and ma pass to Savannah Demelo or boy Van Domsela. The excellent stop was superb. And no America for them no ba and ono so yi achese masa ya ba juma pa. Omo be juma na America for Kotidai kakra and the Sullivan sleepy here. And Liz Mertens, no or pop to say Bema.
Last time I only did an American.
Liz Mertens. Right.
Last time on an American as a man.
Now me see or Nipa Muno.
No Barcelona. On the last time I was okay with Nami Bizaze, former Barcelona. No. An American as last time.
Or Trinipa Muno. And Odima Victoria Pelova, right winger. And on Magic Rod, defensive midfielder. Mazana US ne dawe first go ba na omo train omo link up play omo train your home so omo practice ya eyo hu keke then 18 or 70 18 minutes in America semasa we will respond to Nyamoye no and at Trinity Rodman ya pass from Sophia again or boy Domsela bium Domsela be juma there and then you had Sophia Smith Nankasanya another chance or wasted it but there came the moment Rose Lavelia corner no beautiful corner and the captain Lindsay Horan just a captain far post pam at the net now me see Dominic Hansen or right left side center back for them Onyabo bi pa katuano or bene a tree pull no kakra but the most difficult moment 79 minutes this game US should have lost the game 79 minutes no criminals no be Liz Mertens Gerard Victoria Pelova and normally ba Esme Bruce or boy no me see center back me see Julie S no as America former X senya ne block na
SOMPA Sports
but the link up is so beautiful and they are playing America two defending champions 2015 2019 and the Dutch a bomb as if they were not overawed say we America 4-time champion no they play so well. And looking at the facts, 2019 they were in the final, they lost by 2-0. Don't forget these American teams were 8 debut and never. Almost started transmitting so smartly, 8. And I started debut 8. So almost smartly, almost started transition. Yes. They are not scared of the fact that SCA dropping old guys no be. So fantastic. Nigeria boys Australia. They are still
almost is here.
Yes.
Nigeria.
Yes. They were almost about 5 corners in terms. They were playing so well. So I'm not surprised. They were playing so well. I'm not surprised. That pressure not that Nigeria. So Nigeria were playing too deep. Many surprised Omash Nigeria by goes to there. But I'm hoping they might be able to. Meaning the NT assistant Oshola is not playing. Meaning say be a injury or whatever.
I'm first game no boy no. Onyano kakra.
Onyano
kakra. But mu bu nyina unze na so nye fe.
And I said ebia na enuntia because it doesn't miss. Ajibade no, Rashida the ball, but Ajibade is not playing. And when he's not playing, or this sort of, or he soon be a free team no more. Now Max Usibed, Emma Raducanu, the manager. Now I can't send me. Minim Sebia onum ice water. Abrochi di enubia ntena wakasa because they can say be entwasum or say Emma Raducanu say okay Emma Raducanu or we need US Open against La Fernandez or US Open 3 years ago now or we need a say can say Mitchell ni mami Rini ni papa
SOMPA Sports
Sikana Berura Kolani Timothy ni open way now we're changing 5 coaches in 2 years. It doesn't make sense.
SOMPA Sports.
I call her already 20 years. Young girl, beauty there will be power. If I was in my young days, girl with the so she has beauty. Now, neom say or see girl we or bet so assistant coaches are na normal. Now say the manager can say we are near China say and the Emma du can be okay, no problem. Now if we are to go
has a that's just the way they've always done it. And I think people just need to get over the fact that that's what she's going to do. It's probably going to be like that for the rest of her career.
Really?
I think so, because that's...
He's sick. He's sick. Senya ne juma no ya. Epe ni sikeji. And then the girl has one of the worst advisors.
SOMPA Sports.
Her tennis here in that sport bia. Unhia emre through consistent practice. Even to learn how to serve, depending on the type of serve. Flash serve alone, to be a best flash server, you need minimum 2 years practice to master it. To one year foundation in Temokrana Obia Odi 12 and 13 and some share, which is too later. Also, where she? I'm not going to even talking about slice serve, which is the difficult one, or a top spin. Now, Seoul Sisan coach is almost 4 months, every 4 months. You are doomed. Tony Nadal. I had the uncle of Rafael Nadal. Rafael Nadal, 21 Grand Slam, 16.
SOMPA Sports.
If I had the left-handed, excellent whipping top spinner, Rafael Nadal, the most powerful by any tennis player, left-handed. Nyanka is switching for Rafael, right-handed, not switching to left-handed.
Wow.
Because over a period of practice with him, ultimately who Niema baby I saw your adjustment and tweaking to be a better player. 16 of the Grand Slams over 15 years. 16 Grand, yes. From when it was a nothing to this. Now Rafael Nadal, this are more than 4 trainers in his career. I'm just making nonsense of Nia. Okay, you know. Now, you come to Marian Vaja. Marian Vaja and Emma Djokovic are moving from even 200 backhand to 600 backhand. Now, Djokovic was not good at ground stroke with precision, any pace.
SOMPA Sports.
Oh, no. Marian Vaja are spending 12 years with him. 20 Grand Slam by Novak got 23. Out of it, 20.
SOMPA Sports.
Because you need longevity to keep on working and improving in practice. And now only plan to develop chemistry. And our boma also firm when it comes to training regimen. I thought they be a players no I know mutrimu because can go so tiano. Who carry jamu than inflame weather. Before Scarfa, I don't need a Roger Cateno. Also stop the shit. I'm in charge here. You are not in charge. Because for anyone that could club a day, a week on back camp, you know, and all doing that. He or catching a plane or a mistake or bema or be jai camp nako. We hear a trainer who be tough and firm. That is what they need. P. Sampras, Ron Joe Brandel, any Dr. Fisher or a medical doctor.
SOMPA Sports.
They made P. Sampras for his 16 years to transform him to become a great 14-time Grand Slam winner. Yes. Serena Williams, ni Papa Richard, or a tennis trainer by profession. And he also 1999 US Open Grand Slam. Serena Williams, a boo, a tra, Martina Hingis. No. It was the father, Papa Nene, or no training Niba. And I also training Venus 2000, Venus a tra, Listen Davenport, Wimbledon, or no. A drum pempe so I can bola there. Tennis na be more scientific no. Papa no say ma peja me man do baby ne mum. E say me ma abrantie Patrick Morataglu. French ni. Ombe take over from Serena because Venus there say the ejegu. Patrick by 10 years, 10 Grand Slam.
Wow.
Naomi Osaka me kai say me kan ofia about Sasha Virgin.
SOMPA Sports.
Sasha Virgin ni Serena Williams aye short hitting for 7 years. Especially Serena Williams the best hitter of strokes or tennis no. or free or no far Naomi Osaka no you be on your winning Grand Slam. And I'll transform, Don't forget that Naomi Osaka's first Grand Slam was when she met Serena Williams 2018 US Open. The first one, before Peter Kitova Australian Open, first one. And then she beat the maestro too because the trainer and Nina Ejuma 7 years and him no. Naomi Osaka, Oka say on pet too much pressure, person gene any because Saka crash started by Nako Sine saying.
Zimbabwe.
4 Grand Slam over send one. So sometimes because Sika Onya or Emara Dukan as a manager, Sebi won Nsemoka efa the fact that Ustisan coach is a normal, but they have proved that it's never normal when it comes to tennis. With examples I give, but because he's doing his work.
SOMPA Sports.
And the uncle can't send me but this is where I have a problem. The parents. Yuri Sharapova. Maria Sharapova, Papa. Yuri Sharapova, when Maria Sharapova at 26, I don't say Papa. I say on him tennis bono. He had to sell his car and move on Nebano to Florida Tennis Academy.
Wow.
Nema mi no ma kwano ye. Tennis classes, tennis practice, any book. Asa.
Any pija and didn't could do sir.
The father was disciplined. The problem with girl when say, ne papa, any ne mommy, really iano. Oma allow no, just like Naomi Osaka, and all take a decision because Ghana parents be what Abu Banyeska kakra umami cry parents be what they can't even on to me show him cry and Chelsea Debbie. Now you know and yet
SOMPA Sports.
That's the problem they are facing. And Nebasana, young girl no at a brighter opportunity on your winning Grand Slam. Never in the history of even the US Open say she started from the qualifier to win the title without dropping a set.
About the Monte,